The next topic in this Python tutorial series is operators. I'll be splitting this topic in two videos, and there would be a bonus section at the end of each video where you'll get to learn something new and interesting. So please watch the videos till the end. So now let's get started with the operators. Operators are the special symbols which are used for performing some operation on the operands. And what are operands? Operands can be considered as a variable or a value on which these operations are performed. So for example, in the expression that we see here, c equals to a plus b, a and b are the variables on which the operation addition is being performed. So a and b are the operands, whereas the plus is the symbol for addition operation, so that is the operator. So this is just one example I have used. There are many other operators in Python, so let's take a look at the different types of operators that are there in Python. So there are 6 different types of operators in Python: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator. So now let's see each of these operators one by one. Starting with arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator, as the name suggests, is the operator which performs mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. I have shown the example for each of these operations, as you can see here, and if you notice carefully, then you would see that when the operation is performed on integer, the output that is returned is an integer, and when the operation is performed on a floating point value, then the output that is returned is a floating point value. Except if you see very carefully, in the division you would notice that even for the operation performed on integer, a float value is being returned. So in case you want integer to be returned, you can use something called as float division. Float division performs the division operation and then rounds off the output to the nearest integer and returns the result. So in case there is a specific requirement that you want integer to be returned, then you can use float division. For the other operations in arithmetic operator, I have shown the example here. If you have any further questions, you can post down in the comment. Moving on to the next one, that is the assignment operator. Assignment operator has two operations that can be performed. One is the simple assignment operator, which means that when you do x equals to 10, that is assigning the value on the right hand side to the operand on the left hand side, that is the simple assignment operator. And the other one is the compound assignment operator. Compound assignment operator can be something like plus equals to, minus equal to, division equal to, multiplication equal to, etc. So basically you can have any operator here and have the equal to in order to form the compound assignment operator. How this works is that when you write something like x plus equal to 5, it is equivalent to x equal to x plus 5. So it will take the value of x, add 5 to it, and then assign the output that is returned from this to the variable x. Same ways, if you do y minus equals to 2, then it would be equivalent to y equals to y minus 2. So it would perform y minus 2 and then just assign the value that is returned from y minus 2 to the variable y itself. Next operator is very interesting operator. You would be using this operator a lot when you start coding. It is the comparison operators. It is also known as relational operator. It returns a Boolean value after comparing the operands which are on the left and the right side. So I have shown a very basic examples for you to understand easily how the operator works and what actually it returns. So based on the condition, it returns it is true or false. When you will get to coding, this is now not how you would be using these operators. So I have given a very basic example on how actually it would look when we start coding in Python. So I've used the if statement, which we haven't discussed so far, but we would be discussing that in further videos. You want to make certain decision and then perform some action, then these operators will come in handy. You can write something like if A is equal to B, then perform some action, or if A is not equal to B, then perform some action, something like that. So remaining operators I'll be covering in the next part of this video, and as promised, I'll get started with the bonus section, and I want to talk about the operator module which Python has, and it consists of functions corresponding to all the operations that we just saw here. Let's go to the IPython shell and take a look at the operator module in action. So for using the operator module, you just need to do import operator, and then you can do operator dot, like if you say add, and then just provide in the values that you want to add, and it will give you the output. So if you want to see what all operations it provides, you can just do operator dot and then press tab, and it would show you all the operations that you can do on this. So there is less than, greater than, that we saw in the comparison operator. You can do that. So less than 3 is less than 4. If you do greater than, then it would return false. So something like this. So I'll leave at this note. Hope you got to learn something from this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.